Firstly, let's understand affiliate marketing in one sentence. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone's product by using a unique link, and when a customer buys that product by clicking on your link, you will get paid. So let's come to Amazon affiliate now. Amazon affiliate means you are promoting Amazon website product on your blog or on your website, and when a user clicks that product on your website, he or she will be redirected to the Amazon products page and place their order. On successful transaction, Amazon pays you some percentage of that sale as a commission. So this commission percentage ranges between 5% to 12% depending on the type of product you referred. Now, let me make the entire process easy for you. The whole Amazon affiliate program works for you in this way. Number one, you should sign up with Amazon affiliate program to get affiliate links of products. Number two, you should have a working website or a blog to promote products. Remember, when you will be signing up with Amazon affiliate program, they ask your website URL. So our initial step should be to make a website for our Amazon products promotion first, and then after we can sign up with Amazon affiliate program. So let's jump to next lecture and understand about Amazon products niche first before starting Amazon affiliate website development. In this lecture, we're gonna talk about niche websites. Niche means subject or a specific topic. Let's take an example of Amazon website. Amazon has more than 25 product categories. If we hover on departments, we can see these all are the product categories. Let's go ahead with electronics. Just click on it. All electronic gadgets are here to shop, but no clothes, shoes or other products are listed under electronics product category. It means to categorize the products in a better way and to improve the customer shopping experience, Amazon divided their entire website products into product categories. So we can say the product category electronics is a specific niche where only electronic products and gadgets are available for the customer to buy. Like we can see over here, these all are gadgets. If you can see this car and vehicle electronic or this TV remote, this sound system. In the same way, there are other niche available like this art and craft, baby products, beauty and personal care, the fashion products are here, luggage, movies, television. There are so many other niche available into the Amazon website itself. So these product categories are basically, we can say, niche. So when you are starting a new affiliate website, it is recommended to just go ahead with one specific niche rather than promoting versatile products. The reason is, after having the products on your affiliate website, you need to promote them, and if products belongs to different categories, then it will be a little difficult to promote them. On the other hand, if you would be having products belonging to just one product category or niche, then it will be easy for you to promote consistently. And remember, without promotion, affiliate doesn't work. You have to promote your affiliate products consistently in order to rank them onto the Google. You can also use many other social media networks, and in the upcoming lecture, I'm gonna teach you everything about how we can go ahead with the website development of Amazon affiliate and other things. So that will definitely work you and generate a full-time income. Thank you. Before starting this lecture, let's understand how the Amazon affiliate website can be developed. A website is something which keeps all the information or products that you want to place on the internet so that billions of people can access it. An Amazon affiliate website or any website can be developed by using three things. Number one, domain name. Number two, web space, or we can say web hosting. Number three, web development process. So let me give you a very short description about these three things, and then after we'll be starting the Amazon affiliate website development process. Domain name. Domain name is the name of your website. For example, the Amazon company has its own domain name www.amazon.com or www.amazon.in. In the same way, Sony has its own domain name www.sony.com. So in one sentence, domain name is the name or address of your website where people can reach and see your stuff. Web hosting. When you are launching your website, you need some space to put your website content on the internet like product images, text, database, files, etc. Web hosting is that space which makes it possible for you to run your website on the internet, and this web space can be purchased from an internet company like SiteGround, HostGator, Bluehost, A2 Hosting. There are so many other web hosting companies that I mostly use to buy this web space. Web development process. This is the last step where after having our domain name and web space, we'll be moving to the Amazon affiliate website development phase. This entire process is going to be very interesting as we'll be using a very easy to use tool to make your first affiliate website. So let's start building your affiliate website now. In this lecture, I'm gonna show you how to buy a domain name and web hosting for your website. So simply open a website hostgator.com. I have been using HostGator for about 7 or 8 years and I'm fully satisfied with this web host. There are many web hosting companies also available, but I recommend HostGator. And these days they are also providing free of cost domain if you sign up for 1 year. Hosting is really important if you really want to host your website and make it live on the internet. So here, the price plan starts with just $2.75 a month, which is really not a huge amount if you are really willing to start profitable blog. So let's click on get started. Now, HostGator offers 3 plans: Hatchling plan, Baby plan and Business plan. Business plan is of course expensive and I highly don't recommend you to go ahead with the business plan, but Hatchling plan and Baby plan is fine. If you want to host just one blog, then you can go ahead with the Hatchling plan, and if you would like to host more than one websites, then you can go ahead with the Baby plan. So in the initial stage, I recommend you to go ahead with the Hatchling plan. So just click on buy now. Okay, now this step is very important. Here, you need to search for a domain name that you would like to have for your blog. Remember, your domain name must be relevant to the niche that you have selected. For example, if you're going to start a blog about latest phones, so it could be something like phone techies, and .com is already selected. Just click outside and let's see if this domain name is available or not. Here we go. So phonetechies.com is available. Now let's scroll down. And here we have an additional service, domain privacy protection. Just uncheck this box because it will cost extra to your pockets and I would like to save your money as much as possible. Now package type, already we have selected the Hatchling plan. Billing cycle. By default 36 months billing cycle is selected. I recommend you to just go ahead with at least 12 months so that you are eligible to get the free of cost domain with your hosting plan. So of course a domain name itself costs around $15 or $16 a year, so that amount can be saved. Now here you need to create the username. Username could be something like Saddam789. So that's completely up to you. There is a validation error, may not contain capital letters. So let's type all in small letters. Okay, so all are green ticks. Here you can create a security pin. This could be a 4 to 8 characters long number, something like this. So whenever you would be needing any kind of customer support, they will be asking this security pin in order to verify your ownership of this hosting server. Now let's scroll down. Here you need to fill up the billing information, your email, your first name, last name, and also there are 2 types of payment methods available. You can buy the hosting either with your credit or debit card, or you can use your PayPal account. So that's up to you. I'm not going to buy anything right now because I already have an account with HostGator, and in the next lecture I will show you how exactly we can install the WordPress. So let's scroll down. Here we have some additional services. Just uncheck all these services. We really don't need any of them, and then scroll down. Okay, so HostGator offers a huge discount as well. So by default they have applied this discount code web27am for me, and total I have to pay just $68.70, which includes 1 year domain name as well. and 1 year web hosting. So that's up to you. Whenever you go onto the HostGator website, just confirm whatever the best offer they are providing you, and that's really cool. And then after, you need to just check this box, click on checkout now. So once you will make the complete payment, you will be receiving a welcome email that will be having all your login credentials. So let's jump into the next lecture and we can install WordPress onto the domain name. Thank you very much. In this lecture, we're gonna learn about WordPress, and then after, I will be installing WordPress on our domain name. If we look back in 1990 or 2000, to develop a website, we had to write codes and make the website with 100% manual work. But thanks to WordPress, as it gives you the flexibility to design and develop your entire Amazon affiliate website without writing a single line of code and without having any prior knowledge of programming. WordPress is basically a tool through which we can use the drag and drop mechanism to design and develop your entire website quickly. Even I have wrote a detailed article on my blog, why WordPress is better than other CMS. So if you would like to know, go to my blog and the link has been provided in this lecture as a resource. Alright, let's jump to WordPress installation process. So in order to install WordPress, go to hostgator.com. And here we can see customer login. Just click on it. Now you need to log into the portal. So just click on portal login. Now enter your email address that you had used during the sign up process. Now you need to enter the password that you had created into the previous lecture. At last, click on login. So this is the dashboard of your HostGator account. Just hover on manage orders and you can click on list or search options menu. Here we go. Now here you will be seeing your domain name that you have selected into the previous lecture. So just click on your domain name and this will redirect you to the cPanel screen. cPanel is another screen from where we can install WordPress onto the domain name as well as we can manage the other things. So here we can see manage hosting. Just click on it. Alright, so this is the file manager where all your website files get stored. This is the FTP account which is used to access this file manager and the other things onto the hosting. Here we can see site software. Maybe you can also see Softaculous or WordPress into your cPanel screen. So this is basically called a cPanel screen. I'm just clicking on site software. Alright, now it shows me WordPress. So I'm just clicking on it. As this is my baby plan, so I have more than one websites already installed. Now in order to make a fresh installation, we can simply click on this install. Maybe you would be getting a different type of a screen, but that's okay. The process is same. Now click on show advanced configuration. Alright, so from this entire list, we will be selecting our domain name. So I'm just going to use one of my temporary domain, that is themagicrooms.com. Make this second box empty. Do not put anything in this box. This box is basically called a directory box. Let's scroll down. You will be seeing a username and the password section. This is very important. In the admin username, you can create a secure username. For example, I'm just creating like Saddam7865. And admin password, I'm just going to create one demo password as well. These login details will be used in order to access your WordPress dashboard. So please do not share these login details. Email, you can put your own personal email so that in case if you forget the password, the reset link will be sent to this email address. Blog name and blog description. We can change it later on. Do not worry, blog or website is almost same. Initially, WordPress was developed for the blogging purpose, so that's why it is showing over blog, and this blog name and blog description can be changed later on. At last, click on install. So this will take couple of seconds to install WordPress onto your domain name. You will be seeing a admin URL and username and password, something like this, once the installation process is completed. So in order to log in into your WordPress dashboard, you need to go to this URL. So make a copy somewhere else on your desktop, and this username and password can be used to log in into your WordPress dashboard. Thank you. So far, we have installed WordPress onto the domain. So let's check out how our website looks like. So I'm just opening my main website, that is the magicrooms.com. Alright, so here we can see a default website is appearing over here with some kind of content like my WordPress website, just another WordPress website. This hello world is basically a default blog post, and this is a search box. Some kind of recent posts are over here. So whenever you install a fresh WordPress onto a new domain, this default theme applies onto the domain and website looks like this. But this design is not looking too good, or it's not beautiful. So let's go ahead, change this theme so that our website looks a little bit better than this. In order to do that, simply go to the admin page. So we need to just add /wp-admin and hit enter. So it will ask you for the username and the password. This is the same username and the password that we had created during the WordPress installation. So you can simply input your own one. Here we go. So I am logged in into the WordPress dashboard. So this is basically the backend area from where we manage all the content, all the pages, all the posts, products, and almost everything can be managed from here. Let me give you a little description about this section. WordPress allows you to use blog by default, as we can see over here, post section. So posts are basically the articles you can add from here. So I'm just going to click on all posts. And here we can see this is a default post with the title Hello World. So from here you can write blog posts into the website. So this is just an extra benefit that you got. Now here we have pages section, from where we can create pages like home, about, contact, or whatever the number of pages you would like to create. Let's go ahead and change the theme of your website. So here under appearance we have themes. Just click on it. So this is the themes page. Here we have 3 themes available: 2019, 2017 and 2016, in which 29 is the currently active theme. These 2 themes are just installed, but they are not active. Remember, at a time you can install more than 1 themes into the WordPress, but only 1 theme can be activated at one time. Let's go ahead and add a new theme. So at the very top you can see add new. Just click on it. For your information, in WordPress there are 2 types of themes available: free themes and premium themes. These all are the free themes. You can use these themes without paying any extra charges, but these themes are limited in terms of designing. So if you want to add more designing, or if you would like to have more flexibility in the design customization, then you should use a premium theme. But here I am going to guide you to use a very good free of cost theme that will give you more flexibility. So in the search box, just search for Ocean WP. This is the theme. Just install it and now activate. The Ocean WP theme has been successfully activated, as we can see over here the message. Now firstly, let's check out our front page of the website and see if any changes have been done or not. Here we go. So now we can see the design of our front page has been changed, and this looks a little better than the previous one. Let's go back to the backend. We'll be making this entire layout more beautiful, more stunning. So with the help of Ocean WP theme, you can make any type of website, whether it's an e-commerce store or a basic business website. Even you can run a money-making blog with the help of this theme. But today, we'll be making an Amazon affiliate website with Ocean WP theme to make a full-time income. Ocean WP theme recommends to install few plugins like this Elementor, this Ocean Extra, and this WP Forms. So before installing these plugins, let me explain you a bit about them. Plugins are a kind of software, or we can say scripts, which are used to add features and functionalities into your website. Like this Elementor plugin. This plugin is used to design the pages and putting content on them. This WP Form plugin is used to create contact forms on your website with a simple drag and drop interface. There are more than 1000 plugins available to add on your affiliate website and make it features rich. So like themes, Plugins are also available in two versions, free plugins and premium plugins. So here I will be giving you a premium plugin free of cost to all my students who are watching this lecture carefully. Will not be using this Elementor plugin to make the pages, but I will be giving you a premium plugin which is WP Bakery Page Builder. This page builder has been ranked number 1 into the WordPress environment, into the WordPress directory, and you can create almost any type of layout with the help of WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. So let's start installing the plugins in the next lecture. Thank you very much. In this lecture, we'll be installing all the required plugins like Ocean Extra, WP Forms, WooCommerce, Yoast SEO, and WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. So in order to install the plugins, either you can click on this Begin Installing Plugins link, or you can also go ahead with plugins and then add new. So let's click on this Begin Installing Plugins. As Ocean WP theme recommends these three plugins, but Elementor is not needed as we'll be using the WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. So just leave this Elementor as it is and we can install and activate the other two plugins, Ocean Extra and WP Forms. I'm just installing and activating both of them simultaneously, but you can also install them one by one by just clicking on this link. Here we go. So if we can check under plugins, installed plugins. So currently 4 plugins are installed. The dark one are activated and these are just regular fonts. It means these plugins are installed but they are not activated. So we can simply delete these 2 plugins. Remember, whenever you want to delete any plugin, firstly you need to deactivate those plugins. Alright. So from the list of 5 plugins, 2 plugins are already installed and activated. Now let's go ahead and install the Yoast SEO plugin, which is 100% free. So at the very top we can see add new. Just click on it. Now in the search plugin box over here, just search for Yoast. Here we go. So the first plugin is Yoast SEO. Please verify the author, Team Yoast. So this is the original plugin that we were looking for. Just install and activate this plugin. You must be wondering what is Yoast SEO plugin and why did we install and activated this plugin. Let me give you a brief description about this plugin. It is very important. Yoast SEO plugin is used to fix all on-page SEO issues. Sounds a little tricky. Well, don't worry. Let me explain you in a small sentence. Everyone wants to rank their website on the first page of Google, but few of them achieve the goal. The question is why Google puts only 10 people's website on the page 1, rest are on page 2 and page 3 and page 4 and vice versa. Is this not a partiality? Of course not. Google have a specific algorithm and those websites who fulfill all the rules and regulations of Google in terms of their algorithm, they rank on page 1. When you want to rank your website on Google, then you have to make your website compatible with Google algorithms. Yoast SEO plugin helps you to fix all the issues of your website which are not compatible with Google algorithm. This is called on-page SEO process. So you don't need to waste your time on the internet in searching of what's latest in Google search policy. For your information, Google updates or we can say changes their algorithms time by time. Our next plugin is WooCommerce. What is WooCommerce plugin? Well, WooCommerce is an awesome e-commerce plugin which converts your basic informative website into an online store. Why are we using this plugin in this course? There is a very minor difference between an e-commerce store and an Amazon affiliate website. On an e-commerce store, the products belongs to the website owner and the entire checkout process can be done on the same website under the same domain. On the other hand, an Amazon affiliate website looks like an e-commerce store, but the products are of Amazon website, not yours. And the entire checkout process is done on the Amazon.com or on their other websites. WooCommerce plugin is used to create products on your affiliate website and provide an e-commerce like environment to your customers or visitors. So let's go ahead and install WooCommerce plugin, which is 100% free of cost. In order to install the WooCommerce, simply click on Add New once again under this plugins. Now in the search box, just type WooCommerce. The first plugin is WooCommerce by Automatic. Install now and activate this plugin. After the plugin activation, you will see this WooCommerce setup screen, as this plugin was developed to make an e-commerce website. Hence, when you install and activate this first time, it asks you to do some basic setup. This setup process is just to make this plugin working and hardly takes 20 seconds to get done. So let's select the options and fill up the boxes as per our knowledge. So the first drop down is country. Here you can select the country. As I'm in India, so I can type India. Then we can put some address. You can select the currency. Well, if you are in non-Indian country, like if you are in United States, then the US dollars are the currency. So you can select the US dollars. I am in India, so I'll be promoting the products in Indian currency. So here I can select INR. And what type of products do you want to sell? I plan to sell both physical and digital products. So it's totally up to you whether you want to select this option or this individual one or both. So just leave it this both section. This is a good idea. Then the checkbox is I will also be selling products or services in person. Just leave it as it is. Keep this box checked and then let's go. Now payment section. Make it unchecked, as we are not going to make this entire website e-commerce, but we will be redirecting the customers to the Amazon website. So all the payments checkout will be done on Amazon itself. But this plugin also needs to have at least one payment method. So better idea would be to select cash on delivery option. Now shipping. Just make this unchecked and then continue. Also uncheck these boxes and then continue. Jetpack, just skip this step. And all done. So this WooCommerce plugin has been set up properly. Now click on visit dashboard so that you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard like this. So that's so easy to set up the WooCommerce plugin onto your WordPress website. Recently, WooCommerce have also released a new plugin, that is WooCommerce admin plugin, which is also free of cost. So we can simply install and activate this plugin as well. It gives you a new interface with new features and reports. So we can simply activate this plugin. Alright, so all the plugins have been installed and activated. Now one plugin is left, which is WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. That plugin is not free, so if you will try to find out that plugin under the plugins directory, you cannot get that. Let's try to search WP Bakery Page Builder. So here we can see these are some add-ons for WP Bakery Page Builder, but not the exact plugin that we need. So in order to get that plugin installed and activated onto your website, simply go to the WP Scratch website once again. So type WP Scratch and then at last affiliate. This is the same link that I provided you at the very first lecture. Now here at the bottom we have Page Builder. Just click on download Page Builder. So it will download a Page Builder file into .zip format. So let's download it somewhere onto my computer. So the plugin has been almost downloaded. Now it's time to upload that plugin into our WordPress website. So here under the add new section, you will also be seeing this upload plugin. Just click on it. Now from here we can choose file and upload that plugin into our website. Now install and activate this plugin. So this is the welcome page of WP Bakery Page Builder plugin, and we have successfully installed the latest version, that is 6.0.3. So this plugin is one of the best plugins to make pages, design the layout of your entire website very easily with drag and drop mechanism. Thank you very much. In this lecture, we'll be creating a home page for our Amazon affiliate website. If we open our home page right now, a default web page appears. This is the blog page of WordPress. For your information, WordPress was developed for blogging purpose only, and after seeing its popularity and flexibility, this platform has been occupied for website development, and nowadays almost any kind of website can be developed on WordPress. So on this page, on the left hand side at the very top, this is basically called the site title. We can replace this title with the logo. In this area, we can create some menus and will be displayed over here. This just another WordPress website is the site description. So we can say this is the page title bar section that can be removed in the upcoming lecture. This hello world is the default blog post, and this right area have some kind of widgets like recent post, recent comments, archives. So this entire section is basically the sidebar. So we can remove all these sections, and now we are going to create our home page, and that home page will be set up as the front page of our website. So whenever someone would be opening the main website, themagicrooms.com, that home page will be appearing over here. So let's go ahead and create the home page. Go to the dashboard. Our first step is disabling the Gutenberg plugin. Gutenberg is a page builder plugin which comes by default with WordPress installation. But as we are already using WP Bakery Page Builder plugin, so we don't need any other page builder into our Amazon affiliate website. So in order to disable that page builder, simply hover on WP Bakery Page Builder tab and then General Settings. Just click on it. Now here we can see the second option, Disable Gutenberg Editor. Just click on Disable, hover at the very bottom and click on Save Changes. So that's all you had to do to disable this page builder. Now, in order to create our home page, just hover on Pages and then click on Add New. So this is the backend area of the WordPress from where we can create pages. In the title box, we can put the title of our page like Home. Here we can see two buttons, Backend Editor, Frontend Editor. This buttons only appears when you have activated the WP Bakery Page Builder. If you have not installed it, this button will not appear over here. Now let's publish. So I'm just creating a blank page as the home page of our website just to explain you how we can set this page as the front page. After that, we will be creating some content on this page. So let's click on View Page and see how this home page looks like. So here we go. The home page looks something like this. The title is over here. This is called the breadcrumb, and this is the complete blank area. And this section is called sidebar. So let's disable this sidebar from the home page. So again, we can go back to the home page. So when you scroll down at the very bottom, we can see Ocean WP settings. These are some basic settings from Ocean WP theme, and we can play with many options over here. So at present, the default sidebar has been set up onto the home page. So under the main, we can see content layout. So here you can just put it as full width and then hit update. Now let's check our home page once again. So we can click on View Page. Here we go. So now we can see the home is completely a full width page without the sidebar. So this is the way how we can disable the sidebar from the backend for any of the upcoming pages. Now, if you can focus onto the URL of this page, you can see after the main domain / then index.php is added without any reason, and then after the page name. So this entire URL is not SEO friendly. Better would be if we can have this page URL something like themagicrooms.com/home. That's it. So we have to edit the permalinks of our website. That is the second task we have to do. After that, if we can simply open the main home page, let's remove this index.php and home and then open the main domain, that is the magicrooms.com. So we can still see the default blog page is appearing. It means if someone will be going to the main website, this page will be appearing but not the page named home. So how we can set the home as the front page of our website? So that is super easy. Just go to your dashboard. Now hover on settings and then reading. Just click on it. So this is the area from where we can set the page named home as the front page of our website. Currently you can see your home page displays your latest post. So just check the second radio button, a static page, and this from the home page drop down, select the page that you would like to set as the home page. That's home. So that's all you had to do and then save changes. Now next step is we need to set the permalinks. So under the setting tabs itself, we can see permalinks. Just click on it, and in this permalink section you have to select this post name under the common settings. This one, the fourth, I think it's the fifth one. So the URL will be appearing something like the magicrooms.com/sample post. It means that will be the name of your page or the products. Now click on save changes. Alright, now it's time to open the main page once again. So let's hit this home page. Alright, so now we are on the main domain and the front page is home. So that's super easy to set any specific page as the front page of your website. So now in the upcoming lecture, we have to replace this text my WordPress website with the logo, and we'll also be creating the menu over here. We'll be removing this page title bar, fixing up this footer as it is coming at the top, and we'll putting some content into the middle area of this page. So we'll be creating some kind of banner sliders for the home page. Thank you very much. In this lecture, we're gonna learn how to create product categories. For example, if you have selected electronics as the niche, then the subcategories under electronics are like this: accessories and supplies, this camera and photo, home audio, office electronics. I mean, the product categories are basically the specific topic under which you can list the similar type of products. Those are relevant to that product category. So we need to create these type of product categories into our affiliate website as well. So let's go back to our WordPress backend. Now here you can see products. Once you hover on it, under this the third option is categories. Just click on it. Now here, by default, the uncategorized product category is always available when you will be installing the WordPress. This category will not be deleted as this is the default. So in order to create a new category, you can simply type the name over here. For example, like electronics accessories. Here you can provide the slug. Slug is not too mandatory. Slug is basically called the exact URL of that page after the main domain. For example, the main domain is the magicrooms.com. Then after this / whatever the text appears in this address bar, that is called slug. So just leave this slug box as it is. Here you can also provide some kind of description about this electronics accessories category. I'm leaving it as it is. Display type, just leave it as it is, and then click on add new category button. So this category can be added over here like this. You can also edit this category by just hovering on this edit button. So this will be redirecting to a separate edit page of this specific category. So that is so easy to create product categories into the Amazon affiliate website. In the same way, you can add more product categories like this home audio, office electronics, whatever the product category you would like to add into the website, just go ahead one by one and add them over here. Now, if you would like to make a subcategory of an existing product category, just need to do one thing. For example, let's go ahead and add a USB under this electronics accessories. So here you can mention USB. The process is same, but you need to select the parent category from this drop down. So from here you can select electronics accessories and then add new category. So this USB will be assigned as the subcategory of this electronics USB. As you can see, it appears under it with a hyphen sign. So that's so easy to add these type of categories into your WordPress website. Thank you very much. In this lecture, I'm gonna teach you how we can design a copyright-free logo without any specific graphic designing skills or without any expensive softwares like Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. So in order to start the logo designing process, simply open a website, logomaker.com. With the help of this website, you can design a basic logo as per your need. In the top search box, you can type electronics when your website niche is electronics. So let's hit enter. So here we go. We can see all the icons are related to electronics niche. For example, we can use this one. So I'm just clicking on it. And this is the logo designing panel. You can simply change the color of this by having the color palette on the right hand side, something like that. You can also resize this logo like this, or you can also resize them in this way. If you want to add text, you can see here on the left hand side text. Just click on it, type anything, whatever you want, like electronics fair. We can also resize the font size, something like this. If you want to change the font style, you can simply use this drop down to change the font as per your need. Let's align them left. So here we have left. If you want to change the color of these fonts, use the same color palette like this. Now, once the logo is finalized, let's resize it a little bit more. Okay, now this looks fine. In order to save this logo, on the right hand side we can see save icon. Just click on it. And then no thanks, download low resolution file. Click on it. Save this logo onto your desktop. And that's all you had to do. Now once we check our website, the default text is appearing over here. So let's go ahead and put the logo in this area. Go to your WordPress dashboard and under appearance we can see customize. Just click on it. This is the theme customization panel from where we can do some default settings to our website. Now in order to set the logo, simply click on header, then logo. And from here, select logo. We can upload our logo into the website. Now click on select. Click on skip cropping. And very soon it will appear over here. So this is just the preview screen over here. Let's go ahead and refresh our home page once again. Here we go. So this is how easy to set the logo onto our website. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can create menus, and those menus can be appearing over here in this area so that users or customers can navigate to your website. So in order to do that, simply go to your WordPress dashboard. Under the appearance, we can see menus. Just click on it. Now, firstly, we need to give a name to our menu, like main menu or any name that you can give over here. This is just for your reference. Then click on create menu. Now it's time to add menu items to your menu. So I'll be adding the product categories as the menus of your web page. So in order to do that, here we cannot see the product categories. Remember, do not get confused. These categories are basically the post categories and we have to enable the product categories. So at the very top, we can see screen options. Just click on it. And from here, we can enable the product categories so that they can be displayed over here in this area. Here we go. Now let's click on it and then click on view all. So these all are the product categories that we had created into the previous lecture. Let's add all of them one by one. and then click on add to menu. Here we go. So they all are appearing on the right hand side. Let's add home page as well into the main menu item. So click on the pages because home is the page, so it can be found under pages. And here we go, we can see home. If you cannot see it under the most recent, then click on view all. And here you can see home, just click on it and add menu. Now, at the very bottom we can see display location. So Ocean WP Themes comes with a default setting like whatever the main menu will be appearing in this area, they will be assigned as the main. So here in the menu section we can see main, just click on it. So main is assigned to this area and then save menu. Alright, now let's go ahead and refresh our home page once again. Here we go. So all menus are appearing over here, but they are not appearing on the right hand side due to the number of menu items that have been added. The above space is a little bit less than these number of menu items. So let's go ahead and add this GPS and USB under this electronics accessories so that we can save some space. So let's go ahead to the main menus. If you want to create any menu as the sub menu, just drag and shift it to the right hand side like this. In the same way like this. Let's go ahead make headphone as the sub menu of electronic accessories. So in this way these three menus will be appearing under the electronics accessories. Now let's save it. And then we can refresh our home page once again. Here we go. So all menus are appearing, and once we hover on this electronics, we can see GPS, USB and home headphones appears just under it. So this is so easy to add menus into your WordPress website. And as we have already installed the WooCommerce plugin, that's the reason why automatically this cart icon is appearing on the top right corner, which looks too cool. Thank you very much. The Amazon affiliate website is almost ready. Now, few things we need to do before applying to Amazon Associate program, like we can create some mandatory pages, privacy policy, terms and conditions and contact page. So here I am guiding you how you can create contact page, and then after learning the contact page creation, you can create the content for privacy policy and terms and conditions page. The entire process is going to be very easy, and this is 100% beginner friendly. So let's go ahead and create the contact page first. So from your WordPress dashboard, hover on pages and then click on add new. Now in the title box, put the page name contact. Here we can see backend editor and frontend editor. So just click on backend editor and this panel will appear. Now first element we have to add. So click on add element. And here we have row. Remember, the entire website can be designed in the form of rows. So we have a full width row. It means whatever the content we will put, that will appear in the entire area. So in this row, I am going to add Google Map. So in order to get the Google Map, simply open the website maps.google.com. This is just for your demonstration purpose. So I'm just adding my business Google Map into the website. Like this, WebSoft Global IT Services. So it appears over here. Now, if we want to embed this map into the contact page, you can see these little three lines. Click on it. Then go to share and embed map. Here we have send a link and embed a map. Click on embed a map. Click on copy HTML. So this code has been copied. Now let's go back to our contact page backend area. Click on this plus so that we can add an element. Now we have to add this text block. There are so many elements available. You can use them, and these are just for your practice purpose. So I'm just going to use text block because whatever the HTML content you would like to paste or shortcodes, everything can be pasted in this text block area. So go to this text one over here. Then just paste the code that we have copied from there. So this is the Google Map code. Now here you can see the parameters: width 600 pixel, height 450 pixel. If no unit has been written, it means it is in pixels. So we can set the width as 100%. So the width will be adjusted as per the container width, and height is fine, 450 pixel. Click on save and then publish. Now let's go ahead, open this contact page into a new tab and see how the Google Map looks like. So here we go. The Google Map looks something like this, but we haven't disabled the sidebar. So let's go back to the contact backend page once again. From the bottom, under this main area content layout, we can set it as full width and then update. Now let's refresh our contact page once again. Here we go. So sidebar has been removed. Now let's go ahead and remove this page title bar section as well. So go back to the backend. At the bottom, we can see title. Just click on it, make it disable. Go to breadcrumbs and make it disable, and then update. Now let's go ahead and refresh our contact page once again. Here we go. So we can see the page title bar has been removed. Now just below this Google Map, in this half portion, we'll be putting some contact details like address, phone number and email address. And in the remaining half portion, we'll embed a contact form. So let's go back to the contact page backend. Now our first step is we can create a contact form. So in order to create a contact form, here you can see WP Forms. This is a plugin through which we can create a contact form by just drag and drop interface, and then after we will embed that contact form into this area over here. So I'm just going to open the WP Forms panel and we'll be creating a new contact form. So in the form field, we just need to put the contact name like contact form. This is just for your reference, and then after click on create a blank form. Alright, so the right panel is basically the contact form designer, and on the left hand side we can see there are predefined fields available. As this is a free plugin, so few of the premium fields have been deactivated, but that's not a problem. Even we can create a great form with the help of these free available predefined fields. So in order to add the name, you can simply just drag and drop this name field on the right hand side in this way. So we can see the name field has been available over here. Now let's drag and drop the email. So just below it, we can drag and drop email field. Now for embedding the phone number, we can simply use single line text. Just drop it below the email field, and at last we can put the message box over here. So that is basically the paragraph text field like this. Now let's edit these fields one by one. So click on this, click to edit, and on the left hand side these settings will be opened. So from this you can change the label, like you can put your name over here, so it appears on the right hand side. These are basically called the sub labels. So in order to hide these sub labels, just close this tab and open the advanced option tab, and here we can see hide sub labels. Just check it. We need to do one more setting, like whenever someone fill up this form, on what email address these all details will be sent to. So in order to set the notifications, go to the settings, and here we can see general tab, notifications tab and confirmation tab. Go to notifications and here send to email address. So either you can just keep this tag as it is, or you can put your email address, something like. In the same way, you can edit few more fields like email subject, from name. So here can be your website name like. So in this way you can edit these notification fields. At last, click on this save and our form is ready. Now click on this cross and we'll be getting a short code. So here we go. This is the short code of this entire form. We can simply copy this short code. This is basically a code, and wherever you will put this code, the entire form will be displayed at that location. So let's go back to the contact page backend. Now click on this plus and we'll be adding one more row. So here the row is, just click on it. Now we need this row to be divided into two columns. So hover on it and here we can see the second option is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So in this way you can divide the row into columns. Now click on this plus and here we have text block. Just click on it. Now go to this text tab, delete all this stuff and paste that shortcode. That's it, and save changes. So that's all you had to do to display the contact form in this specified area on the front end. Now let's add contact details. So click on this plus again, add the text block, delete all this stuff and just put your details. If you want to format these text, simply just select them and bold it in the same way like this and then bold it. If you want to make this email address clickable, just select it. Here you can see this icon, insert or edit link. Click on it and then apply. Now save it. Now click on update. So that's all you had to do from the backend panel. And let's go ahead to the front page of the contact and we can refresh it. Here we go. So now we can see the contact details have been appearing over here and the contact form is also embedded successfully. So this is the way how you can use content into the WordPress website. And now your assignment is to complete the pages of privacy policy and terms and conditions by using WP Bakery Page Builder. Thank you very much. A privacy policy tells users what you are doing with their data. Anything you gather from them, like an email address, first name, location, or whatever that has to be disclosed to your website visitor, you have to tell them what you plan to do with that information. So in this lecture, I'm gonna show you how exactly we can create the privacy policy and terms and conditions page content and we can put it into the footer. Let's get started. Open a URL saddamkasim.com/privacy-template and this will redirect you to this web page from where you can create your own privacy policy and terms and conditions content. Let's create the privacy policy content. Simply click on Generate Privacy Policy button and now here we can find few options. You need to select the first one, business website, and then make sure that this checkbox is selected. Now let's click on continue. Here we need to fill up some business details. The first box, company or your website name. So whatever is your website name, like in my case it is Coupon Tape, so we can enter over here. And in this box you need to enter the complete website URL including HTTP or HTTPS protocol. Then you can fill up all your personal details like email address, phone number, your street address. All these address fields are optional. So whatever the details you have, try to provide as much as possible. Now let's click on continue. Make sure all these checkboxes are selected including the affiliate disclosure. You can leave the last one, which is protection of collected information recommended for membership sites. Of course, our website is not a membership site. So just skip that last checkbox and then continue. Once it's done, fill up this CAPTCHA over here. Now click on Get Template. So our privacy policy content is ready. Here we have two types of content, raw HTML and plain text. You can select the plain text radio button from the top and then copy this entire text content from here. Just click on it. We have copied the privacy policy content. Let's add a new page and then we can click on WP Bakery Page Builder at the very top. In the title box, you can provide the privacy policy page name. And now this time we don't need to use the backend editor, but in this classic editor, you can paste that complete text. If you would like to make any heading bold, just select it from here. And from the top bar, we can see bold. Just click on it. So in this way, you can format the headings. Let's scroll down and we can do some page settings like content layout full width.
we can also hide the title and breadcrumbs. So let's hide the breadcrumb. Okay, now it's time to publish this page. So we have successfully written the privacy policy content onto the privacy policy page. Let's check onto the front end how it looks like. So this is how the privacy policy page looks onto the front page. I am just using one of my different websites to display how exactly we can create the privacy policy onto the Ocean WP theme, but the same process you need to repeat in your own website. Now let me show you how exactly we can add this privacy policy link in the very bottom of your Ocean WP theme footer over here, just next to this All Right Reserved tab. So go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now here, under the appearance, we can see customize. Just click on it. So this is the customize area. We need to scroll down and here we can see footer bottom. Just click on it. Now this is the copyright box. Whatever we will write in this box, that will appear at the very bottom over here in this area. The current we have copyright 2019 all rights reserved. So the same appears over here. Now let's add a space, then vertical line, then a space, and we need to use a basic HTML one line code that will display the privacy policy link in this area. So you need to just type a tag, then a space, href equals to double quotes, close the bracket, and we can type privacy policy and then close the tag. This is basically a one line of HTML code just to put any link in a custom area of your website. Now in the double quotes, we need to provide the privacy policy page link. So here we can go on to the privacy policy and the top is the privacy policy link. Just copy it from here, come back to the customize, and in this box, we can paste it. So this is the complete syntax that you need to follow in order to display a custom link into the footer. So at the very bottom, you can see privacy policy is also appearing. Now let's click on publish. So this will be saved permanently. And we can come back to our front page. Let's refresh it once again. Okay, now let's scroll down and here is the privacy policy. So the same thing you need to repeat for terms and conditions page. Simply go to the website saddamkasim.com/privacy-template and then you can generate the content for terms and conditions and repeat exactly the same process. Thank you very much.
In this lecture, we're gonna sign up with Amazon affiliate program. So simply open the website affiliate-program.amazon.com and you'll be seeing this homepage. Now click on join now for free. So if you already have an Amazon account, then you can simply log in from here, or if you are new to Amazon, just click on create your Amazon account. So I'm just going to sign up with a new account. So let's fill up your name, email and create the password. And now click on create your Amazon account. This is 100% free. So now they will be sending an OTP onto the same email address. So let's enter the OTP over here. Check your inbox. Here we go. So this is the OTP. I'm just copying it. And now we can paste it over here and then verify. There are 5 processes to complete the Amazon Associate registration: account information, website and mobile app list, profile, identity verification, and then after you can simply log in into the associate dashboard. So let's fill up this entire form completely and then we'll be jumping on to the next step. So first is payee name. It should be your name exactly written as on the bank account. So I'm just entering my name. Then we can fill up the rest of the fields. Before selecting the state, province or region, select your country, otherwise this field will not be updated. So let's select my country. I am in India, so I can select from here and then we can enter the state. Now we need to enter our phone number. So I'm just entering my phone number over here. +91 is my country code. Alright, now hit next at the bottom. Now here we need to enter our website address. For example, I have created themagicrooms.com, so we can simply enter themagicrooms.com and then click on add. So it will appear over here. That's all you need to do, and then click on next. Now at the bottom it needs a declaration. Are any of these websites or mobile apps listed above directed primarily at children under 13? So just click on no and then confirm. Now in this profile section we need to create our associates store ID. This will be basically a unique ID just for your reference, as well as Amazon will track your sales via this store ID. So here you can create any store ID. So better would be just enter your domain name like The Magic Room. Don't include extension like .in or .com. Just put your main domain name, The Magic Rooms, and that's all. Here the website list is already there. Now you need to give a little description about your website. So I'm just pasting some text over here like this is an e-commerce store and we are promoting the Amazon products. You can write your own description over here. Now, which of the following topics best describes your website or mobile app? So you can select the appropriate option from this drop down. For example, we are going to promote the electronic products. So we can simply select like computers. Then we can select secondary topic. If you cannot find your own category over here, just select on other. Now, what type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites or mobile apps? So you can select from here like electronics. Those are the categories of which we'll be going to promote the products. If you are planning to promote more products, then you can select more checkboxes like computers and office. So it's completely up to you. Now, what type are your website or mobile apps? Let's select from here. So this is going to be basically a comparison shopping engine or a blog. So here we can simply select content or niche website. Then select the secondary type. So in the secondary type, we can simply select comparison shopping engine. Now, how do you drive traffic to your website? So here there are so many ways to drive traffic onto the website like paid search, email marketing, shopping portal, displaying advertising. So we can select the appropriate one like SEO or blogs, display advertisement, social networks. Do not select this paid search because sometimes they do not allow to promote the products via the PPC or paid searches on Google. Just leave this paid search as it is. We can also mention forums over here. How do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? Let's select the appropriate option from here as well. So we can select e-commerce. Then the secondary one, that could also be an e-commerce. Or if you would be having any more type of monetizations onto the website like Amazon Associate is the only way I monetize my website, so just select this one. Or if you would be having Google AdSense, then you should select some other options. So I'm just sticking with this Amazon Associate at the moment. Now, how do you usually build links? So we can simply click on this content management system because WordPress is the best way to make the links or anything like that. So we can either select content management system or just select blog editor. Now, how many total unique visitors to your website and app get per month? So here we can simply select less than 500. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associate program? Of course, we are going to make the money with this website. So just click on to monetize my site. How did you hear about us? Simply select word of mouth. Let's click on try a different image and then we can enter these letters into the box. And then let's finish. Now in this step, we have to verify our identity. So just select your country code and enter your mobile phone number so that they will be giving you a callback with a verification code. So let's enter a mobile phone number over here. And then click on call me now.
your phone, please enter the 4-digit PIN number that was displayed on your screen.
As you can hear, it is on my phone, so let's enter the PIN number that is displayed onto the screen. So this call I have received from Amazon. Now just click on this "You agree" and then we can click on finish. So that's all we had to do. Our Amazon Affiliate Association registration process has been done, and this is our unique ID. So just have a note it somewhere onto your computer. Alright, now we need to set a few more things like enter your payment and tax information so that whatever the amount you will earn from them, they will transfer that amount into the bank account. So let's click on now, and they will ask your bank details and tax information. So firstly we need to log in again into our account. Alright, again they need to verify our ownership. So let's select India as my country. Alright, so I have received my OTP. I'm just entering over here. Click on OK. This is the payment method page. So here you can select the option like pay me by direct deposit. Minimum amount that I have to maintain is $10 into my earnings. I'm just selecting this one. Bank location. So here I can select India as my bank location. Now as per the bank location, it asks few more details about your bank account. So I'm not filling these details right now. Then after you need to click on submit and continue with tax information. Once you will complete the entire payment process, then after you will be seeing the Amazon affiliate dashboard, something like this. So this is how the Amazon affiliate dashboard looks like. On the top right corner you can see my store ID, that's my email address, and these are few tools that you can use to linking the products of Amazon website into your website. We are not going to use these tools because I have a very easy mechanism to get the affiliate link of Amazon products. So let's scroll down and I can show you my earnings over here. Here we go. So total amount I have earned so far is 35,800 Indian rupees, and total clicks I got are more than 80,000. So this is the way we can track all our sales and the traffic, clicks, everything onto your Amazon affiliate niche website via this Amazon associate dashboard. Now in order to get a unique link of any specific product on Amazon website, simply open a new tab and then go to amazon.com. Now you must be seeing this top bar, Amazon associate site stripe, and this bar. This bar is not visible to all the users, but as we are already logged in into the Amazon associate account into another tab, that's the reason why it is showing over here. So you need to firstly log in into the Amazon affiliate account on a tab, and then after being logged in, open this amazon.com in a new tab. Now let's go to electronics category. Alright, now for example, let's jump to this camera and photo category. Let's say we want to promote this SanDisk Ultra 32 GB card onto our website, so just click on it. Okay, so this is the product, this is product title, this is the product image, these are reviews. The exact pricing for 16 GB is $5.79. In the same way 32 GB is $7.41. Now if we want to get the affiliate link of this exact product, on the top you can simply click on this text under this get link. Just click on text and then copy it. So this is the affiliate link of this exact product. Now let's go ahead and we can paste this link into another new tab. So I'm just pasting it over here and then hit enter. So you will see the exact same page will be opening. Here we go. And let's track this URL. So I'm just scrolling it horizontally and we can see the affiliate ID will be included into this link. Here you go. You can see tag equals to the magic rooms is the affiliate ID that we got from Amazon, and -20 is automatically added. So the complete associate ID was the magic rooms -20. So this is included in the link. It means now if someone buy this product, Amazon will track this entire sale by this ID and they will pay me some commission. So this is how easy to sign up with Amazon Associate program, get the Amazon affiliate link, and now in the next lecture we'll be creating this product onto our website, and then after we'll be setting up this unique affiliate link over there. Thank you very much. In this lecture, we're gonna create some Amazon affiliate products into our website. So our first step is login into your Amazon affiliate dashboard. So open the website affiliate-program.amazon.com and go to the login page. Alright, now we need to log in into our existing account. So just sign in. So we are logged in successfully into our Amazon associate page. Now being logged in into the Amazon affiliate area, just open the new tab of your browser and go to amazon.com. Now this time it will not ask you to log in again as you're already logged in into the associate area in your previous tab. So here we can see the top bar is displaying in this home page of the Amazon. Now let's go to some product. So we can hover on departments and then electronics. Let's go to camera and photo. Now for example, if we want to promote this product onto our website, so just simply click on this product. The single product page will be opened. So this is the product image, the product title, and rest other details are also over here. Now if you want to create this product onto our website, that is themagicrooms.com, so firstly we need to download all these product images so that we can add them onto our website. But if you will right click on this image, you cannot see any save image button. So how to download these images, because Amazon have protected their content. So the best way would be copy this URL. Now open a website, imagecyborg.com. So this website will help you to download all the images which are existing onto this page or on any specific URL. So here we can simply paste the URL and then click on download image. So it will help you to download all the protected images. Now click on download images and we can save it somewhere onto our desktop or any area of your hard disk. Let's say I'm just saving it into the products. Alright, so that has been saved. Now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. In order to create the products, simply hover on products and then click on add new. Now from this screen we can add Amazon affiliate products into our website. So let's go ahead step by step. First thing is product name. So we can go to the Amazon website. This is the product name, or we can say product title. Just copy it from here and we can paste it in the product name box. You can also rename this entire name into your own words and that would be better. This box is for long description of the product. So let's go to the Amazon website again. At the very bottom we can find long description of this product. Like here we have the entire description. I'm just copying it, this one, and we are going to paste in this box. Remember, copying the content from other website and pasting it on your own website is not recommended. It will violate the Google's policy. So better would be you can read the entire content and convert it in your own words. So in this way you will pass the plagiarism check and your website content will be 100% unique. Let's scroll down. Leave this Ocean WP settings section as it is, and this Yoast SEO section is also not needed right now. We'll jump to this section later on. Here, product data. This section is important. So firstly, make sure that it is selected as external or affiliate product from this drop down. Now here we have to pass the product URL. Remember, in this box you have to pass the affiliate URL. So we can simply go to the Amazon website. As we are already on this page, so on the top left corner we can see text. Just click on it. And here is your affiliate URL of this exact product. I am just copying it from here
and we can paste it in this box like this. Now, button text. What exactly you want to display on the button when someone will try to buy this product? So here we can simply type like buy on Amazon. Regular price. In this box, we can pass the price of this product. So we can get the price from here. Like this product is costing $7.36. So let's type it in this box. That's all you have to do. Now let's scroll down. Product short description. This is the short description area. So whatever the content you will put in this box, that content will be appearing on the product image right hand side, like in this area. So here we can copy some content like this. I'm just copying it from here and we can paste it in this box. Again, write your own content that is recommended. Now let's scroll up and we are jumping to the right hand side. So here we can see product image. Let's set the product image of this entire product. So click on set product image. Go to the upload files. Now we are going to upload the images from our desktop. And wait for a few seconds. Now at the very bottom we can see set product image. Just click on it and it will appear over here like this. Now if you want to pass some product tags, you can simply pass it over here like SanDisk cards, or you can also add like memory cards. So whatever you would like to add tags, you can simply add them one by one over here. Now product categories. As this product is going under electronics, so we can simply mark as electronic. If there would be any subcategory, you can mark them, otherwise leave it as it is. At last we have to publish. So that's so easy to create an Amazon affiliate product into your Amazon affiliate website. Now let's check out this product onto the front page. So I'm just going to click on this view product and we are opening it into a new tab. Here we go. So we can see this product appears over here. That's the product image, the product name, price, product short description, and the buy on Amazon button. So once someone click on this button, he or she will be redirected to the Amazon's product page. If you can notice over here, the Amazon page has been opened. And let's check out your Amazon affiliate ID once again, whether it is listed in this URL or not. Here we go. So we can see my Amazon affiliate associate ID has been linked in this URL. So Amazon will track that it is my sale, so they will pay me some commission. So that's so easy to create an Amazon affiliate product into your website. In the same way, we can add more products by just going one by one onto the add new section. And let's remove this sidebar. This is basically a sidebar. It doesn't look too cool. So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard, and on the product backend page itself, go to the Ocean WP settings. Under content layout, here it is default. Just select it full width and then update. Now let's refresh our front page once again. Here we go. So we can see that sidebar has been successfully removed. So in this way, you can create the Amazon affiliate product into your website. Now in the upcoming lecture, we'll be doing some on-page SEO of this product by using this Yoast SEO plugin section. Thank you very much. So far we have done a lot of things, but still if you can see on the home page, it is blank. So let's put some content on the home page. So I have created almost 8 products into the website. We can simply go on to the products and then click on all products. And you will be seeing a list of products in the table format like this. Total I have published 8 products. Now it's time to display all these products on the home page over here. So let's open the backend of this home page. Click on these pages. Okay, so now we can see here home page as the front page. Just click on edit. This is the backend area of the home page. Just click on backend editor
so that we can enable the visual composer. And now we need to click on add element. Select row. So a full width row is over here. Now click on this plus again and we can take another row inside it like this. Now within this internal row, just click on it and add text block. Now as we have to display the products onto the home page, so here we have to paste a shortcode. I'm just deleting all the text and we can go to the text area over here. Alright, so this is the standard WooCommerce shortcode. I got this shortcode from the official WooCommerce website. The link of this website has been provided as the resource in this lecture, so you can get the link from there. Okay, so everything needs to be same. Here we can see products limit 8. So let's say we can set limit 4. So on a single page, total 4 products of a specific category can be displayed. Columns equals to 4. It means all the products will be divided into 4 columns, and category equals to category slug. So here we need to replace this category hyphen slug with the exact category name. So let's go ahead and find out the category name. So here we can hover on products and then on the right click, open link in new tab. So basically you need to open the categories into a new tab. Now for example, we want to display all the products under this electronics accessories. So simply copy this slug. This is the slug. Just copy it and we can paste it over here. Just replace this one. That's all. Now save it and we can update. So that's all you had to do, and these all products will be displayed onto the home page. So let's refresh our home page. Here we go. So we can see all the 4 products under electronics accessories are displaying over here with the product name, the product pricing and the buy on Amazon button, and also a quick view feature is also included by the Ocean WP theme. Let's put a title over here like electronics accessories. So again we need to go back. Now above this text block we need to put the heading. So click on this plus and here we can select custom heading. So custom heading is a widget which allows you to write any text as a heading, and you can use custom fonts as well. So for example, I'm writing. Let's scroll down. So here we can see element tag, leave it as it is. Text align, we can set it to center, so the entire text will be center aligned into its container. Font size, you can specify your exact font size over here, for example 38 pixels, or we can also pass like 35 pixels. Pixel is the unit which is used in this website development and designing purpose. Line height, leave it as it is. Text color, from here you can specify the heading text color, for example like this pink, or you can also use any of the color over here. So I'm just leaving it to like this pink, that looks fine. Font family, you can change the Google font family from here. I'm just leaving it to Montserrat. This is the great font and the preview can be displayed over here. You can also change the font weight over here like 400 regular or 700 bold regular. If you want to set the animation, you can simply use this drop down and set the animation as per your requirement. I'm just leaving it as it is. At last we can save it. Now let's update. And now we can refresh our home page once again. Here we go. So we can see the product category title is displaying over here with all the 4 products under it. In the same way, we can add few more categories over here. So let's go back to the home page backend once again. Now I'll be adding the office electronics just below this electronics accessories category. So the easiest way is, you can see this double icon over here. This is basically the clone this row icon. So if you click on this icon, the entire row with all the elements will be duplicated like we can see over here. So we don't need to go ahead again and again and adding the elements one by one. Simply duplicate it and then edit. So firstly let's edit the heading. So we can simply click on this pencil icon and here we can edit it like office electronics. leave other settings as it is, then save changes. Now let's edit this shortcode. So click on this pencil again. Now we need to get the new category of office electronics. So let's go back to the product categories page once again. And here at the bottom we have office electronics. Just copy this slug and now replace it from here like this. Save changes and then update. So that's all you have to do, and this entire product category with all the products will be displayed onto the home page. Let's refresh our home page again. Here we go. So we can see office electronic title is over here and all the products belongs to office electronics are displaying under it. So that's super easy to display the products on any area of your website with just using the shortcodes. You can explore more shortcodes onto the WooCommerce official website, and that could be your assignment as well for the practice purpose. Now, I'm going to remove this title from here. This is basically the page title. So let's remove it and we can put a slider banner over here. So in order to hide this page title and page title bar, go to the home page backend. At the bottom, we can see title under Ocean WP settings. Click on title and here disable. In the same way, go to the breadcrumbs and make it disable. That's all you have to do, then update. So whenever you make a change, just update it and then refresh the home page so that you can see whatever the changes you have done, those changes are reflecting onto the front page or not. Here we go. So we can see the page title and page title bar has been completely removed. Now, in order to create the banner slider, firstly we need to install a plugin. So let's go back to the backend. Here under the plugins, click on add new. Now in the search plugins box, search for Meta Slider. This is a free slider plugin which is available into the plugins directory, and it is great for creating almost any type of slider. So you need to go with this Meta Slider author team updraft. Just install and activate this plugin. So this plugin will allow you to create beautiful sliding banner onto your home page or any of this specific page. Let's activate it. The Meta Slider plugin has been successfully added. Just close this pop-up. Here we can see Meta Slider. Just click on it. So this is a new tab added into your WordPress dashboard when you activated the plugin. Alright, now our first step is to create a slideshow. So click on this add a new slideshow button over here at the very top. Now close this pop-up first. Here on the right hand side we need to specify the width and height of the slide images. So here we can make a standard size 1280 pixels width and 400 pixels. Now let's scroll down. If you want to display the navigation arrows, make it checked. Navigation dots, hidden or dots. So these are basically the little dots which are displayed at the bottom of the slides. So we can make it hidden. Alright, leave this slideshow theme as it is. Scroll down, go to the advanced settings. Here we can do some basic settings as well, like stretch 100% wide output. It means there will be no space on the left and right side of the banner slider. Center align, make it unchecked. Autoplay, the slide will rotate automatically. Image crop, leave it as it is. Carousel mode, leave it as it is. Fade in, this is the animation of this slider. Hover pause, it means if you will put your mouse onto the slider, it will stop rotating. Slide delay, so it is for 3 seconds, the slide will stay onto the page. And that's all. We don't need to play with any other options. So let's add slide images. Click on add slide. And here you can upload the slide banner images. I recommend you to upload the images of size 1280 pixel and 400 pixel height. So I am uploading all the 3 banner slide images at once. So they will be existing into the media library like this. Now we can uncheck the other 2 and just keep selected the first one and click on add to slideshow. That's all you have to do. It will very soon appear over here in this area like this. In the same way we can add more slides. So click on add slide again. As we have already uploaded to media library, so select the image from here, add to slideshow. In the same way repeat the process again. If you want to pass a URL link so that if someone click on this banner slide, they will be redirected to a specific page, you can pass the URL over here. For example, like, and to open the link into the new tab, click on checkbox. Okay, now let's save it. Now at the very bottom, we can see the shortcode. Just copy it. It means wherever you will paste this shortcode, the entire slider with all these 3 slides will be displayed. So let's go back to the pages and we can paste this shortcode onto the home page. So here is the home page. Just click on edit. So this is our home page backend. Now let's go to the front page and understand where we have to display the slider. So this is our home page. We have to display the slider just above this electronics accessories text. It means over here and below this header. So go back to the backend and here we have to display this slider just above this electronics accessories but in full width. So here we have to put some kind of shortcode widget over here in this area. So click on this outer plus and now text block. Remember, whenever you will be pasting any shortcode, then you have to paste that shortcode into the text block widget. We can simply delete the demo text from here and let's paste the meta slider shortcode. Save changes. At last we can update. Now let's go ahead and refresh our home page once again. So I'm just clicking on the logo. Here we go. So we can see the entire slider has been displayed over here with the navigation arrows. If we click on the arrow, the next slide comes up. But if you can see over here at the very top and left right side, there is some white space. So basically the top is the margin and the entire page has not been set up to the 100% full width to the browser. That's the reason why left and right side extra space is showing over here. So let's go ahead and remove it. Go back to the backend. Now at the very bottom here under the Ocean WP settings, under main tab, you can see content layout. Just set it to 100% full width and margins, make it disable. That's all you have to do. Now let's update and we can refresh our home page once again. Here we go. So now this looks nice. The entire slider is now full width and all the extra margins have been removed. But if you can see at the bottom, the products are also sticked to the border. So let's add some space on the left and right side of this entire product section. Go back to the backend again and here as the products are displayed by using this shortcode and this entire shortcode is in this inner row over here. You can see this is the inner row. So we have to make some setting into the inner row. Click on this pencil and here we can see design option. So click on design option. It allows you to make some customization into the exact row, like you can set the border color, you can set the background color as well. So at the moment we have to add some space on the left and right side. That space in CSS language called padding. So here we have padding box, top, right, bottom and left. So let's set some padding into the percentage. For example, like 12% left and 12% right. It means now if you will open this website in any of the screen resolution, the left and right padding will be set to 12% according to the screen resolution. So that is the best thing you can do in order to use this percentage over here. Now let's save it and we can update. Alright, so page updated. Let's refresh our home page once again. Here we go. So we can see this slider is still full width, but now there is some extra space on the left and right side of this product section. In the same way, we can add some space on the left and right side over here. So again, go back to the backend. Now those products are displaying by using this shortcode. So now we have to edit this row. Click on pencil, then design options, and again here we can pass 12% left and this is the right section, so 12% right. You can change these numbers as per your need and test like how many pixels are adding on the left and right side of the row. Let's update and now we can refresh our home page again. Cool. So now we can see the slider is over here. Products are also over here with left and right margin like this. Not the margin, but the padding. So that's super easy to add spaces and putting content onto the home page. I hope this section was very easy for you to put the content over here. Thank you very much. So far we have set up our affiliate website homepage, the header menus, logo, products and the product category title. Now it's time to play with footer and customize it as per our need. So at the very bottom we can see the footer. This complete area is called footer, where the above broad bar is widgets bar and the very bottom bar is called copyright bar. We'll be removing the widgets bar and will replace this default copyright text with ours, and will also put the privacy policy and terms conditions link next to copyright text. So let's go ahead to the dashboard. Now hover on appearance and we can click on customize. Just click on it. Now on the left bar, find out footer widgets. Here is footer widgets tab. Just click on it and we can disable the footer widgets area. So once we uncheck this box, we can see the preview. The widget area will be disappeared from here like this. It has been removed. Now let's go back, click on this arrow. Footer bottom. So this is the area from where we can write our own custom copyright text. So firstly, we can just delete this text. Now let's write our own one. So we can type like copyright 2019. Then we can put some vertical line. You can see the preview as well on the right bar. It is showing over here. In order to put the link, you can simply use a basic HTML, like we can use the ahref tag. So like this, ahref. If you don't know about this tag, don't worry. I'll be guiding you how we can use the basic HTML tags in order to put the link. Now we can write privacy policy and close the A tag. In the same way, we can also put the link of terms and conditions. Alright, so we can see in the copyright bar, the basic text copyright 2019, all rights reserved has been placed, and these two links has been set up as well. But we haven't passed the privacy policy page link and terms and conditions link. So it's time to get the link of these two link text, and then after we can paste that link between these two keywords. So let's go back to our dashboard and now click on pages. We need to get the link of privacy policy page. So here, once you hover on privacy policy, you can see these little text below it. Just right click on view and then open link in new tab. So this will open over here. That's the exact link of this page. Just copy it and now we can paste this link between these double quotes like this. In the same way, for terms and conditions, we also have to paste the terms and conditions link between them. So let's go back to the pages again, and here we can right click, open link in new tab and then copy this URL. At last we can paste it over here. So this is the standard syntax of creating a link in HTML. So we have just used a one line HTML over here in order to create the hyperlinks like this. At last publish. Alright, so let's refresh our home page once again. Okay, so let's scroll down. Here we can see the copyright bar text has been replaced. So that's so easy to play with footer. Thank you very much. In this lecture, I'm gonna guide you how we can do on-page SEO of our products so that our products will be Google friendly and it would be easier for us to rank them onto the Google. For example, we need to do SEO of this SanDisk Ultra Plus product. So we'll be doing some kind of on-page SEO. So in order to do that, go back to your dashboard. Now go to the product backend. So just click on all products link over here. Alright, let's find out our product. Now we are going to do on-page SEO of SendDisk one. So click on edit. Here we go. Now scroll down and jump to Yoast SEO section. So this is the section which is available through Yoast SEO plugin that we had installed and activated at the very earlier lecture. So this plugin will help you to do on-page SEO, fix all the on-page SEO issues and everything. Now let's focus on this snippet preview area. Don't you think it looks like the Google search result? For example, whenever someone enter a keyword, the Google search results look something like this: the URL of that website, then the page title, and at last meta description. So this is how Yoast SEO makes it possible for you to see how your search result will look like onto the Google. And here you can pass the keyword of your product. Now this product is regarding the SendDisk 32 GB memory card. It means the keywords would be something like SendDisk 32 GB memory card, or SendDisk 32 GB chip, or SendDisk memory card, or SendDisk chip. So these type of some relevant keywords would be better for us to target so that this product will rank up onto the Google. So firstly, let's go ahead and check out the search volume. It means how many people are searching those keywords every month onto the Google. So in order to do that, simply go to the website wpscratch.com/affiliate. Yes, that's the same website from where we had started this entire course. And at the very bottom, you can see Google Keyword Tool. Just click on Keyword Explorer. There are many premium tools also available for keyword research, but those are premium. You have to pay for reusing those keyword tools. As you are a beginner, so I am just recommending you to use the Google Keyword Planner, which is 100% free of cost, and you can do a better keyword research. And later on, when you will become a pro, then you can use the other premium tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, like those. So here, just click on sign in. You can use your own regular Gmail account in order to log in into your Google Keyword Tool. So I'm just using my own email address. Alright, so now click on Discover New Keywords. And here, just enter all the keywords which you have in your mind which are relevant to your product. Once you enter the keyword, just put the comma and then space. So I'm just going to check the search volume of these top 4 keywords which I have in my mind. So you can enter up to 10 keywords at a time over here and then click on Get Started. So this Google Keyword Planner tool will help you to check the average monthly searches of the keywords, the competition of those keywords, whether they are high, low or medium in searches. And you can also filter the results according to the location. Like if you can see here, all locations have been set up. It means in the entire world, these type of keywords like SendDisk 32 GB, SendDisk chip 32 GB, it is searched up to 10 to 100 people every month, and competition is high. In the same way, if we can check the other keyword like SendDisk memory card, so this keyword have maximum searches around 10,000 to 1 lakh searches every month onto the Google search engine around the world. So in this way, you can decide whether the keyword is potential or not and people are searching for that keyword or not. Now let's go ahead and filter the result according to the location. For example, if you just want to target the United States customer, so just hover over here and click on this pencil. Now here, enter the location like United States. And then click on target. Here we can see United States. So now it will only show you the results up to United States. So let's go ahead and wait for a few seconds. Alright, so now we can see if you will be targeting this keyword SanDisk memory card. So up to 1,000 to 10,000 people every month search for this keyword onto the Google only in United States. So in this way, you can check the keyword volume and everything, and I recommend you target those keywords which have maximum search volume every month, like average monthly searches every month. So better would be target this keyword, SanDisk memory card. So let's go back to the product, and we have decided the keyword. So enter over here SanDisk memory card. That's fine. Now we need to change the snippet preview. So click on edit snippet. Now here SEO title. SEO title is basically this blue color text which is appearing onto the Google as well. So here we can simply delete everything and write our own title that would be SEO friendly. For example, right here SanDisk memory card, something like that. Here I have done a mistake. So in this way the title will appear onto the Google and it is appealing the customers to click on it. Like SanDisk memory card, it includes the keyword as well, SanDisk memory card, and the keyword is also SanDisk memory card. Now second thing, we need to edit the slug. So make sure that keyword also exists in this slug. So let's say SanDisk then memory then hyphen card, in this way. Now let's write some meta description over here. For example, like this. So here we can also see the main keyword is also written into the meta description. So now whenever your article or whenever this product will be ranking onto the Google, the result will look something like this. The URL will be appearing like this, SanDisk memory card. This will be the product title appearing, and that's the meta description. So that's all you have to do. Now include the same keyword in this product description as well and into the title. So it will help you to rank up this product onto the Google organic results very fast. For example, we can write over here, and the same we can include in the product description. This SanDisk ultra micro SD, like that. So you can set up the keyword as per the sentence flow. That's all you have to do, and in this way we can fix up the on-page SEO of our product. Here you can also see the Yoast SEO analysis by just clicking on this SEO analysis. So it will give you like what are the drawbacks still in this product on-page SEO. So you can fix them one by one, like text length. So the text contains 256 words. This is slightly below the recommended minimum of 300 words. So you should write the product description up to at least 300 words. Then this will be added to this list and it will turn into the green color. In the same way, include some images, and in the alt attribute write the keyword to those images. Then internal links and outbound links. So internal and outbound links are something like that. For example, let's say we are going to put some internal linking, like we have another product that is the charger. So we can say you can also check out the Samsung original charger. Now let's link this Samsung original charger with the exact charger product. So this linking will be called as internal linking. It means when you will be linking the one product with the other product on the same website, so that is called internal linking. And when you are linking some text to some other website, then it will be called as external linking. So let's do internal linking. Once you highlight it, then click on this insert or edit link. So it will show you this box. Now we need to put the link of charger product in this box. So let's go to the product. I'm just opening it into the new tab so that we can get the exact charger product link. So it is opened into the new tab. Alright, this is the charger. Just click on view, and from here we can get the page URL. So this is the URL. Just copy it, Ctrl C. We can come back to the product again, highlight Samsung original charger, click on this icon and then paste that link. Then click on this arrow, apply. That's all you have to do. So this is called internal linking. Now at last, update. Let's check our front page once again. So I'm just refreshing the front page of this product. Here we go. So now we can see the exact page title is SEO friendly as it have keyword. We have also included the keyword into the long description of this product, like the SanDisk memory card. The internal link is also over here, and I recommend you to just follow all the instructions which have been given into the Yoast SEO section. Go to this SEO analysis, and here it will be giving you all the points. Green point means everything is clear, you don't need to do anything with them. The red line means the SEO is very bad in terms of outbound links and key phrase density. So key phrase means the number of times a focus keyword appears into the entire product description. Image alt attribute, it means you need to insert some image into the product description like this. So if you want to insert any image, just put the cursor over there and click on add media. So it will allow you to upload the image from the desktop. So this is how you can set up the image into the product description. And then after text length, so as I already told you, write the description at least 300 words. So that's all you have to do in this on-page SEO of the product. Thank you very much. In this lecture, I'm gonna show you how we can share our product onto the Facebook so that our product will be reached to millions of people and the chances of selling this product will be higher. The process is very simple and very easy to promote your Amazon affiliate product. Simply copy the link of this product. Now, in the new tab, open facebook.com. If you want to share this product with your own audience like friends or colleagues, so in the post area, just paste that link and hit space. So you can see the preview is auto fetched from your website onto the Facebook. Just share it and it will be shared to all your audience. The best way I recommend you, join few groups which have maximum members like 50,000 or 60,000 members and share your product links into those groups, so that would be better to increase your sales. Thank you very much.
Day by day, Amazon is making their policies strict in order to avoid fake methods of products promotion. Hence, I have added few rules from the Amazon Associate program that you should not break, otherwise your Amazon Associate account would be in trouble. The first very common rule is, when you are signing up with Amazon Associate program, then do specify all the website or mobile app URLs where you are planning to promote the products. So before signing up with Amazon affiliate program, make sure your website is ready, and this has been taught in the lecture 3 and so on. In case if you have any question, do send me a message. This is the next rule that I am going to explain you, and it is very important for you to follow all the rules very carefully. Many beginners do a very common mistake. They sign up to the Amazon Associate program, they go to a product page and they directly generate an affiliate link from here and they paste it onto the social media platform like this. You are not allowed to paste an affiliate link directly on any social media platform, whether it is Facebook, Pinterest or YouTube or whatever. You must need to add that affiliate link onto your website. Like the one I have, coupontape.com is a demonstration website for you. So I have added the same affiliate product on my website. Now, if you directly share the link of this web page onto any social media platform, this is not a policy violation, because when someone click on your link, firstly they will be redirected onto your website. And in this way, we haven't violated the Amazon's direct product promotion policy on social media platforms. And Amazon will check that the traffic has been generated from your domain and you have done the effort to promote that product. It means your sale will be legitimate. In case if you have any question, just drop me a message. This is a big Amazon affiliate policy update of the year. Two important factors have been specified in this new policy. The first point in this policy is you must display the correct product image whenever it gets updated on the original Amazon product page. Don't worry, I will explain you in next few minutes what does that mean. And in the second point, you must display the correct price of the product that you are promoting on your website. It might be possible that you have added a product today like this one, which has the product price 14,999 Indian rupees, and tomorrow Amazon changes this price to 20,000 Indian rupees. Now, Either you must keep updating the prices manually by checking the Amazon product all the time, which is of course a very tough job, and even it becomes more difficult when you are promoting hundreds of affiliate products on your website. So there must be a mechanism when the price changes on the Amazon website, it automatically get updated on your website too. Luckily, there is a plugin which can help, but this is a premium plugin, and since this latest Amazon policy released, we are helpless to buy this plugin. My goal is to share the free stuff with you people every time, but there is no free plugin available which can accomplish this task, and we need to get this plugin. In order to help you, I have placed all the Amazon affiliate helpful stuff on my website, so you can simply open the website saddamkasim.com/Amazon. So on this web page, you will get all the helpful stuff related to Amazon affiliate. So this is the plugin which I was talking about, WZone Amazon affiliate plugin. So this plugin automatically synchronizes the product images, product prices, short description, product variations, and all the information between your website and the Amazon product page. There are many different plugins available with this similar name, and that's the reason I have placed the exact link of this plugin. So let's click on check details. This is the one and only plugin that we need to build the Amazon affiliate website, and we can avoid the policy violation too. This plugin has more than 1400 positive reviews, and it is especially designed for Amazon affiliate stores. We don't need any Amazon API key to synchronize products data, but this plugin works well. And one more thing, if you have time to manually update the products, then no need to buy this plugin, but if you want to save time and manual efforts, then go for it. So all you need to do is go ahead, click on this add to cart or buy now button, and you can get this plugin. Once you have successfully bought this plugin, then on the top right corner, you will be seeing your username. So here we can see downloads tab, just click on it. Now here you will find a list of all the plugins or themes that you have bought with the theme forest. So here I have WooCommerce Amazon Affiliates WordPress plugin. Just click on download. And here you can find installable WordPress file. Just click on it and it will be ready to download. So I'm just downloading it onto my computer. Also, you can see this license certificate and purchase code. To download this as well. So this will be needing in order to activate this plugin. Now it's time to upload that plugin into our affiliate website. So this time I'm going to use one of my affiliate website, that is coupontape.com. And here we can upload the plugin. So let's hover on plugins and then click on add new. Alright, now let's click on upload plugin, and we can again click on choose file in order to locate the plugin that we have just downloaded from the theme forest website. So here is the plugin. Let's click on open and then click on install now. Once the plugin is installed, it's time to activate this plugin. Alright. So the plugin is activated now, and we'll be seeing these type of dashboard over here. Now it asks you to activate the plugin. So you need to enter your item purchase code that can be found inside the PDF that we have downloaded. So let's go back to the PDF that we have downloaded. And here you can find the item purchase code. So just copy it from here and we can go back to the website. And in this box, we need to paste that code. Like this. Also, you need to enter the register email address that you have used onto the theme forest website when you bought this plugin. So this is not the correct email. Let me remove it from here and I can type my own email address. At last, you need to click on activate now. So this plugin will be activated. Here we go. So the purchase code was fine, and now this is the setup wizard that we need to walk through, and we need to set up this entire plugin. So let's click on get started. So here is the first question. What kind of site is coupontape.com? Either it is a blog, online store, personal website, other. Select the blog from here and then click on next. Now it asks what is the state of the website. Is it a fresh website or already have some content? Well, in your case, you need to select fresh install and then click on next. With what purpose you want to use WZone plugin? I already have a website and I want to earn some money from affiliation. So of course, this is the first option that we are interested in. So let's select this one and then click on next. This step is important. On-site cart, just leave it as it is. I suggest you to keep all the default options selected. Don't change anything and then click on next. You can read each of these options one by one later on. At last, we have this option, price setup only Amazon, that's fine. Import product from merchant only Amazon, that's okay. Import attributes, keep it checked so all the variations of a variable product will also be imported, and then click on next. So this is about number of images variations, just leave it as it is and then click on next. Alright, here you can customize the message. I suggest you just leave all these options as it is. Here we can also customize buy button custom text. So we can type here buy on Amazon. So the add to cart button will be replaced with this buy on Amazon text and then click on next. Alright, that's all you have to do. And now in this box here, as I am from India, so I need to enter my Amazon affiliate ID in this box. Once you have done, then select the main affiliate ID from this drop down. Like I am from India, so I can select India. If you are from United States, you can leave it as it is. At last, we can click on finish. Now click on the close button and we are back to our WordPress dashboard. Now next thing is we need to just dismiss all these default notices so the entire dashboard screen would be clear for us. Alright, so we can see a bunch of options inside this WZone plugin. There are many options available through which we can automate our Amazon affiliate website to synchronize products data from Amazon website. Here we can see direct import extension, just click on it. This is the reason why I recommend this plugin. Here you can read this message very carefully to understand the use of this plugin. As per the new Amazon policy, you must need to generate at least 3 qualified sales in order to get the Amazon API key. But when you are a newbie, it is almost impossible to get the API key, and hence, this plugin helps the beginners to fetch the product data without an API key. Now, you need to scroll down and click on this generate new key button so a new API key will be generated for your affiliate website. It will be auto-saved. Now we are going to install a free Google Chrome extension that will help WZone plugin to fetch data from Amazon website and update on your website. So you should use Google Chrome browser when you are operating your Amazon affiliate website. So click on this link WZone Direct Import Extension, and in the new tab the Google extension library will be opened. All you need to do is just click on this Add to Chrome button, and you must be logged in into one of your Gmail account. So this extension will be added to your Google Chrome browser. Just click on Turn on Synchronize and you're good to go. Let's go back to our WordPress website and we need to refresh the backend page. And now we can see a new tab at the very top. Do you want to authorize WZone Direct Import extension to access and import products into the WZone install? Just click on Authorize. Next thing that we need to do is open the Amazon website into a new browser tab, and now we need to refresh it. So this is the home page. Of course, it's not a product page. We'll be seeing the very top bar WZone Direct Import message. So let's open a product page, for example this mobile phone. Now this is a single product page of Amazon website and we can import this product into our website. So we have a lot of data over here. Let's try a different phone because we have already used this phone earlier. Alright, so this is a new product that we can import into our affiliate website. Now at the very top you can see two options available. Now here our job becomes very easy. If you would like to import this product into your Amazon affiliate website, just click on any of these two options and this entire product will be imported directly into your website without dealing with any kind of products tab or anything like that. Let me show you how. So here I'm just going to try the first option, which is of course import this simple product into our website. This product has variations as well, like the combination of 3 GB with 32 GB internal memory or 4 GB RAM and 64 GB hard disk, like that. So this is also a variable product, but let's go ahead and we can import a simple product. So here we can click on this import icon and then wait for a couple of seconds. Here we go. So we can see product was successfully added in the database and we can view our product. So let's click on view the product, and you can see coupontape.com is opening, and this is the complete product has been imported into our website with the exact price that the Amazon website has. Let's confirm. So we can close it. Here we go. So the price is 9,499 Indian rupees, and here it is also showing 9,499, and 11,000 was the actual price. Now when someone click on buy on Amazon, so let me just try it into an incognito mode. Here we go. So now let's click on buy on Amazon. So the Amazon page comes up, and this is of course with the help of your affiliate link. As you can see at the very top, this is my Amazon affiliate ID is also added. So when someone buy this product, I will get a huge commission as per the slab decided by the Amazon on this specific product. So this is really helpful. Now let's close it, and we can go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now let's check this product into the backend panel. So let's click on products tab, and here we can see this is the imported product that we have just imported with the help of WZone plugin, and this product has a special tag direct import. It means whenever the price will be changing onto the Amazon website, automatically the price will be updated over here. Currently it is 9,499, but if Amazon will change the price like 20,000, so the product price will automatically get updated over here. So this plugin really helps in order to avoid the policy violation of the wrong prices and wrong images onto your affiliate website. So I hope it was easy for you to understand, and trust me, if you have enough time, then you can skip this plugin, or if you really want to save a lot of time and resources, then I think you should get this plugin. So most of the affiliate marketers these days who are earning millions, they are using this WZone plugin onto their WordPress website. Thank you very much. This is the bonus lecture for all my students who have almost completed this course. In this lecture, I will show you some discount codes that can help you to get WP Bakery Page Builder for free and HostGator hosting at up to 60% off price. Whenever you buy web hosting with HostGator, never forget to apply this coupon code WEB27AM. This will help you to get a discount of up to $61 in your web hosting plan. Also, it will allow you to get the free domain for complete 1 year. So keep this coupon code saved somewhere onto your computer and always use whenever you buy web hosting. As I have explained to you in lecture 9 that you can buy the WP Bakery Page Builder from WordPressCart.com by paying around $5. But here you can buy the plugin for paying $0. It means free. You can apply the coupon code WPB free to get the WP Bakery Page Builder free of cost. As you have already learned how to make a website with WordPress, it's time for you to learn few more things in detail to maximize your earnings. This is my Udemy profile page, and you can visit by using the URL saddamkasim.com/Udemy. I have more than 16,000 students registered to my courses till date, and I have 4.5 star ratings on an average. You can learn how to make a fully featured e-commerce website where you can also accept the online payments. You can learn affiliate marketing for passive income. You can learn blogging and many new things. So go ahead and check my other courses too on the URL saddamkasim.com/Udemy. Good luck.